I have assured them on behalf of the Government of India and the Government of Assam that we will help them rebuild their houses and we will provide security in the villages. Not only this village or that village, but wherever they came from, we will provide security. Therefore, my request to you is the immediate task before us is to ensure that peace and harmony are restored, confidence is instilled in the people, they are looked after for the next few days, and then gently persuaded to go back to their villages. I'm sure we can accomplish this. I'm sure the Government of Assam and the district administration are fully geared to accomplish this, and the Government of India will fully support the Government of Assam in whatever manner is required to accomplish this goal. There have been incidents over the last 9 days which has caused me great grief and sadness. Altogether, we have 57 lives have been lost, and the loss of every life is a matter of great sadness. But for the last 72 hours or so, there has been no fresh incident of violence, and there has been no fresh deaths. The present concern is to look after the people who are in the camps, give them food, medicine, drinking water, and as early as possible, gently persuade them to go back to the villages. There is a plan has been drawn up by the police administration for deployment of pickets and mobile pickets. I've looked at the plan. That plan is eminently doable. That plan will be put in place and security will be provided to all the villages.